Kablay Pi Baro Shakatup Khubor Jungi Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Menta Kasni Kilong. Sha Kibor Shipaya Katanak PHE Ban Penya Ikipai Lingba Kijaka Jonki. Liu Ba Renekton El Dongkar Yaka Health Clinic her additional secretariat. Liu Mintri Katanak Kakoi Kakia Yakajaka Sumar Nongpang Pediatric Intensive Care Unit Haganish Das Hospital Shillong. Pat Birmingham Kinong Shong Kanong Dingan Halor Kajing Pinsangye Yakajing Shinal Kasurok na 0 point. Pat Mentangin Pashi Khubor Bakam Benya. Kibor Shipai Kilasha Ekatanak PHE Jang Sorkar Jylla Ban Penya Ikipai Jang Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Lingba Kijaka Jongki. Habakren Kilat Pathai Khubor Umintri Kam PHE Uba Renekton El Dongkar Uloong Baki Contractor Kideban Stangno Ikikam Namar Baki Bor Shipai Kilasha Baki Pipe Kinlong Banya Lingba Kijaka Jongki.
Hisha kaniga scheme kala ya chakmat ha. Sekwan beritu ba baro akidi kisnam ngimsim layo ya ka permission na ka defense. Tiada minta permission na defense ngirayo. Nangta kabidai ke jinon kami ka fund ru na kliang jong ki contractors ki ratio na kadaw yung kami ka additional fund revised estimate la submit ya kaneru sarkar kana sanction 2,000 crore tapi saya kabaran kam la ada sanction kabidai ke jinon kam pisa ban siu ka pedudi bak pedudi ka penbahabiang kini surok ibarati da ka PHE ru ya kaneru idang suyo kumbalai kruri last week layo ban still the department te hajisha kam da don shu kadau ka basung nia ban ong bangin namla ban tre ban pendep ke ni scheme ni tinggal don syak mat ha ka tre akpi denti ba ngila pendep te ngate akpi denti ba matau sunam isya ngila expect pendep na du sunam baladat tandai simla te matau sunam ar Nakmirti bangin yo ban pendep ban complete in all respect ya ka scheme ya ka Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme. Daw sul kerpat konduktor kin dari kisip serius konduktor kam dun syu kadao technically ka ban ong makin yo tre. Nakmirti bangin ya corporate tapi konduktor kin resume yang di tre ban nakmirti ban pendep kin kam atas.
Kumshi benta ban pensuk ikinong tre sorkar ki batri hamin secretariat but additional secretariat ka sorkar Jylla kalabo da ka health clinic kerpang nak benta jangki hamin through building additional secretariat yakni ka clinic lawan ban pli menta kasngi ka shitrik urampang arjar apwar do menteri ka trans secretariat administration department uba renekton lingdo tongkar harungkat ka jingedon lang ki doktor bat ki he sorkar.
So that's why I take this as a gift, a golden jubilee gift to the staff of Meghalaya Secretariat working here in Meghalaya Secretariat, to all the officers, and let us take this clinic as our own. We want to see that this clinic will continue, will sustain, and we need to put our head together, to work together to ensure that this service that we are providing to the staff of Meghalaya Secretariat will sustain and will continue. Yes. As of now, we have one doctor, one pharmacy, and 2 nurses. And I wish all the staff who will work here, they will dedicate their service for the betterment of the people working in Meghalaya Secretariat. We know the fact that there are many aged staff working in Meghalaya Secretariat because it is a normal practice to bring back from far away offices from the remote places in the state of Meghalaya. Before they retire, they should come and work here in Secretariat or in the capital. So we understand that there may times that aged people working in Meghalaya Secretariat, they need medical attention. And yes, not only aged staff, but everybody, we know that now there is no age bar for anybody who need medical attention. It is sad to note that there are times that people, they don't get medical attention on time, and when they reach the hospital, it's already too late. So that is very, very important. We hope that this clinic will provide us an immediate relief and immediate attention to ensure that the patient, when in need, it can be taken care and taken to the hospital that is needed to go. And it's very, very important to get a right reference also from this clinic, because doctor will be there and they are the right person to refer in which hospital to go and to get at the first meeting to meet with the patients to come to know about the problem that the patient are facing.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kekia ke Sorkar Meghalaya James P.K. Sangma mentakasngi ulapli ke Jaka Suman Nongpang Pediatric Intensive Care Unit ha Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital ha Shillong. Habukren na katekasngi u James P.K. Sangma ula kentui ke doktor bat ikiwi kinong tre jong Ketenat Kakot Kekia kenang ban nak ban kot syakata katong ban ai ke jing sumar ke babahadu ikinong pang.
I want to really go and elaborate further on that. I think it has been very, very eloquently elaborated by Mr. Sanjay Kumar. I think that all I would like to add to what he said is that I'm in total agreement with him that whatever we set out, we cannot achieve until and unless all of us work unitedly and all of us work as a team. And this is what I would like to state here, that all of us must come together, set aside our differences and work together to achieve the goals which we are setting ourselves out for. These goals, these ambitious standards that we've set for ourselves, these are not easy. These are going to be extremely difficult and very, very challenging to achieve. But then I really believe that the way that things have been progressing so far, the way that everyone has come together and the way that we recently inaugurated the state-of-the-art diagnostic center, the fact that recently we passed the state health volunteers that we have just recently passed in the cabinet, the way things are moving forward is really something I'm very optimistic that we will be able to achieve these goals in the next coming 10 years.
Kinong Shillong jong kanong dengan Hari Boy District mentakasngi kilaberngem ya ke Sorkar bikin pen ino deki kam lada ke Sorkar ke snak menti banchna surok ke berjalan kumbahan riu kilometer na 0 point benit Shillong dengan hadin belabu yu mau nongrim house nem arjar khat nyau. Kini kinong Shillong kilaberngem bikin ap satang khat sansengi balada ke Sorkar kam lei e kinsashim de karai ke beting e. Habukren bekilat pathai Khubor uba dip pathau ubelong urang bashnong kentup uba dinas thank you secretary beruba PT Marwen advisor kila seimadan ya kejing pensangye jaka Sorkar banchna ya ketega surok balamang lingba ke scheme Rural Infrastructure Development Fund.
Akos arjar khan nyau ya kan ka surok jong ka Shillong lawan bu maunong rim dagi lainut ki menteri jong ka Sorkar Kongres. Hadin ba nakaliang jong ka Shillong nila dak dak ting smoke komen nomor ka ting snew pala jong ka surok ba kin siang no lawan bu da yu maunong rim ban siang no e ka surok. Hadin ba ka ting siang e ka surok la ya chakman nakaliang jong ka Shillong nila pen kan mau barabor haki bor bahalor ban pendep no kham kloi nomor ka ting snew pala jong ka surok. Te hadin ba ka Shillong nila ngap ka ting siang tu kontraktor ya ka kam kalayat. Te hadin ba nakaliang jong ka office na po Umsning Division kilawan bu ya ka ka signboard ka badai ka date of complete ba ya ka surok la dep ban siang lut baro ba ya ka pisaru la dep penlat lut baro henry nakaliang jong ka Shillong ngidap da ka jing snong lingo ba ha ka jing don kat bat pi play i ba ka surok ka badai ban poi hadu hapo bad katkum balabu monong rem 4 na siang. Dan nakaliang tong ka Shillong imban se ban shim kan ka senjam ba menta ka deg starik ba ni aipor artayo ya kan ka Sorkar ba kan siang no ya kan ka surok ba hapo artayo ka ban penyo no ya ka wok orda bat da ka mensim trong ka ching snu khia kum ka do ba Shillong ba nada kadang sngap min thi ba hapo artayo menta ka shtarik hapo khasan tarik nakaliang trong ki plida ila de plong ready bangin ujor na ka PIL hapo kaying bisar kami Meghalaya High Court kading jerong trong ka drop kadai 1 kilometer but katkum ka date of completion kamut ya kan surok adep ban siang henry nakaliang iba yoi ya kan ka kam ki yoi henry iba baladep na 4 dep ban siang hoi ya ka wei ka Shillong ka baki divert lang adep pentep la ka PMG SY henry balai ya kan ka Shillong jongi pat omla pan pentep habaki la le ya kan ka kam ba ila divert ya kan ka surok ka jongi trong kan ka Shillong dan nakaliang jongi ka Shillong kumbang ila aipor kumtu dan kerpat ya ka sarkar ba kan khamshim khia nang ba inat ni ki ba iting ya deibat ka sarkar
Radalong kabala te nakalang jong isnong kerpat ka sarkar bakam le nang bakane ka kam kanya seprang nam ta ka jinggat jingbyang jong kinong isnong kamtam kumakiong kasurok kade ka berlum jong kayok kakot te balai pat ba hakasnong jengi kasni hudu kane kasurok haka bangi la yo ro kladai bat sakwe ki jaga
Kinong tre jong Gagaru Hills Autonomous District Council ki balayo ekajing kershan na ki officer ki seng 3 months ngobha but ki seng bhalang menta kasngi ki lasdang ka jing sange tre kamba ar sngi jong ki baro ki kam office jong ka GHADC klasa kut lut namar bagi kamra ke la thalli kreng kreng kinong iki klong bagi persha jore ka jing JDU Chief Executive Member bathama jong ka GHADC Urakesh Sangma ubamdei ugaro MDC Kilong kumnu ni UCM ubamdei ugaro unnang ban penne pensa ekajing long kerpang jong kiriu lum garo Uwe ubriu ubalaprong jubore ka yang mani jong kabalang Catholic ka jawai ula due la ka jong ka jing em namar bula sakut na ka jaka ka ba urung la suba ba kani kala jahan ni ka step la lap ya kamet ka bala sakut na lor ka sa jong ka yang mani de kiriu nget ki balik mas min step na kidak kishin la suba ba uni ubriu la kiu shalor ka yang mani na ka jaka ba don ka baje ba ula rung shapo na lor ka sa ka bala shna de kelintang Hakani ka jing persyang jong uban prong ya ka ying maniu la sakut penban bat umlat hiar syu syapo bat klat ha keju ka jaka. Uni ubriu sa akwe ka kentot ka baron hasor jawai. Bat da kitu ki khubor ngila poi syakabukut tat hadu penginde syembyang kuble shibon.